Hello, myself Jerome. I am final year mechanical department, K. Ramakrishna College of Technology. I am going to discuss about a portable dishwasher. A dishwasher is a mechanical application designed for the purpose of cleaning, eating utilities and dishes effectively. Its primary function is to provide the necessary mechanical action to distribute and direct the detergent solutions and rinse water over, under and around the dishes, effectively losing and removing food, reusing and rehabits. Here, breakdown of how a dishwasher works. Detergent solution: a mixture of water and detergent is prepared and circulated through the dishwasher by a pump. Spray arms is used at the dishwasher to the mixture in the pump to one or more rotating spray arm within the dishwasher. This spray arm blasts the dishes with a cleaning solution. Ensure throw cover the effective cleaning. Water cycle: during the water wash cycles, the dishes and substance to the powerful cleaning action of rotary or spray arm. The process removing dirt, grease and food particles from the dishes. Drains: once the water cycle is completed, the used water is drained from the dishwasher, carrying always away the loose and wastes. Rinse cycle: the dishwasher then goes through a rinse cycle. In this, fresh water is used to rinse off any remaining detergent and food reusing. Drying: after the rinse cycle finished and the water is drained, the dishes are left in the atmosphere to the air dry, or in the some models, heated drying mechanism can be employed to speed up the drying process. In this process, we can save time and water management, and also the cost efficient. While dishwashing offer get convinced its importance, to notice that some model in the market can be relatively high in the cost. Many consume significant amount of water and energy. Additionally, they might take more time to clean a smaller quantity of this effectively. Regular maintenance including cleaning, filtering and checking of blockage is essential to ensure the dishwasher continue effective operations. Thank you.